What Walmart really liked about Vertex is just very few out-of-the-box solutions work for our business, being Walmart. So we liked that Vertex could be easily configured, very flexible tool, which we didn't see in other products. So we really liked the flexibility and how customizable it could be to our business. 3 pain points we were looking to solve with implementing Vertex. First, being Walmart, we needed something that would scale. We've got 100 million unique visits to our site per month. We've got about 40% growth the last 2 years in e-commerce, so not that could only handle our volume today, but handle scale in the future. So we needed something that could scale. We also sell about 90 million products online, so we needed really robust content that could cover all of these unique SKUs. And then our marketplace, we've seen tremendous growth in the marketplace the last 3 years. So third-party sellers selling on our website. So that's been a big strategic focus for our business. The current solution wouldn't really support that growth. So we need a product like Vertex to really allow the business to continue to grow. Vertex has helped our bottom line by really growing our marketplace. So that was starting to reach a limit with our previous solution. So Vertex, we think now with our new marketplace platform coupled with Vertex, the growth is limitless. We can add as many SKUs and as many sellers without really having the scalability issues that we previously had.